Hydrostatic bearing is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a fluid to support the weight of a rotating shaft. This type of bearing is commonly used in high-speed machinery, such as turbines, compressors, and pumps, where the load capacity and stability of the bearing are critical. The hydrostatic bearings work by creating a thin film of fluid between the rotating shaft and the bearing surface, which reduces friction and wear, and provides a smooth and stable operation. The hydrostatic bearing service involves the design, manufacture, and installation of the bearing system, as well as the maintenance and repair of the system. The design of the bearing system is based on the specific requirements of the machinery, such as the load capacity, speed, and temperature range. The manufacture of the bearing system involves the use of high-quality materials and precision machining to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the system. The installation of the system requires skilled technicians who can align and adjust the bearing components to ensure optimal performance. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the design and manufacture of custom machinery and equipment for various industries, including food processing, packaging, and material handling. The company has extensive experience in the use of hydrostatic bearings in their machinery, and they offer a range of services related to this technology. Berkness Company can design and manufacture hydrostatic bearing systems for new machinery, retrofit existing machinery with hydrostatic bearings, and provide maintenance and repair services for existing systems. If you are interested in learning more about hydrostatic bearings and how they can benefit your machinery, you can contact Berkness Company through their website. The company's Contact Us page provides a convenient way to reach out to their team and discuss your specific needs and requirements. Whether you need a new hydrostatic bearing system or maintenance and repair services for an existing system, Berkness Company has the expertise and experience to provide the solutions you need. What is a hydrostatic bearing and how does it work in manufacturing? A hydrostatic bearing is a type of bearing that uses a fluid, typically oil or water, to support the weight of a rotating shaft. The fluid is pressurized and forced into the gap between the shaft and the bearing surface, creating a thin film of fluid that separates the two surfaces and reduces friction. This type of bearing is commonly used in high-speed and high-precision manufacturing applications, such as machine tools and aerospace equipment. What are the advantages of using hydrostatic bearings in manufacturing? Hydrostatic bearings offer several advantages over other types of bearings, including high load capacity, low friction, and high stiffness. They also provide excellent damping characteristics, which can help to reduce vibration and improve machining accuracy. Additionally, hydrostatic bearings can operate at high speeds without generating excessive heat, which can be a problem with other types of bearings. What are some common applications of hydrostatic bearings in manufacturing? Hydrostatic bearings are used in a wide range of manufacturing applications, including machine tools, semiconductor manufacturing equipment, printing presses, and aerospace equipment. They are particularly well suited for applications that require high precision and accuracy, such as grinding, milling, and turning operations. Hydrostatic bearings are also commonly used in high-speed spindle applications, where they can help to reduce vibration and improve machining performance. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.